Even if the Interagency Task Force on the Management of Emerging Infectious Diseases announced that wearing face mask and face shield is mandatory for anyone leaving their home,
mali po ito Ibalik niyo yan, hindi kayo papapasukin sa mga mask. Mali yan, hindi kayo papapasukin sa mga malls at saka pag lumabas kayo sa bahay na ganyan lang ang suot, bawal po yan. Ang kinakailangan, full.
the local government of Pasig City has exempted cyclists from wearing face shields while biking in the city. Pasig Transport, the city government's Facebook page for transportation-related announcements, adds, in the comment section of post, one netizen showed a photo demonstrating why bikers can't wear face shields. The announcement earned cheers from netizens.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.